So today we are going to try another subscription, and it is Daily Harvest. And if you don't know what it is, basically they give you these cups and you can pick if you want 9, 12, or 24, I think. And they come every week, or you can do every other week. And they have smoothies, they have like some soups, they have some protein bites. But I ordered a whole bunch and see how they are. And at the end of it, I will give you my overall review. Let's go. They come in these little to-go containers with colored tops to tell you if it's a soup, a oat bowl, or a smoothie. Everything is chopped and ready to be poured into a blender. Just pour them in, add the liquid it tells you on the side of the jar, and blend it up. It's actually really good. I honestly love how simple it is. It literally takes me 2 minutes, if that. And I don't have to have any ingredients in my house. I don't have to go shopping. I can just throw it in the blender and be done. That's good. Y'all, this one is my favorite. If I were to order only one, this would be it. This peach and strawberry is to die for. And for some reason, when I make it on my own with just regular frozen fruit, it's not nearly as good as this one. You can pour in a glass or the containers they come in, and it fills it perfectly. And you can just put the cap on and throw in a straw, and you are ready to walk out the door. Another reason it's really cool is because they throw ingredients in there that you may not have thought to try. Like this one has lychee in it, and I don't know, it seemed pretty cool, different, but I never tried it before, and this gave me a perfect excuse. Oh, that's fun. I've never had lychee before.
It's lychee.
That's weird. It's not bad, but it's just really weird. It does not taste like mint and cacao though. It just kind of tastes.
Let me taste it.
Like mint. Alright, later. Okay guys, I didn't try like the soups and the oat ball and the oat ones, but I think there's a few other ones, but I didn't try them all. Okay, they have a lot on their site. Well, they're constantly adding new flavors. So I'm just gonna talk about the smoothies, and I've tried kind of a bit of smoothies on and off camera. So the peach and strawberry is my favorite. I would literally order a box of only strawberry and peach and drink one of those every day. So the price point is anywhere between, I think, like the high $6, low $7 per thing, I think roughly estimating. My goal was to drink one every day and have different flavors, and maybe if there's a few that I really loved, it would be worth it because then I wouldn't have to buy every single ingredient to make all of those different smoothies. And $7 is not an expensive meal, but like it kind of is. So I mean, in comparison to a lot of things, it's not that bad. And if I was able to have a large variety of different smoothies that I really loved, using a large variety of ingredients that were pure and great, then I thought that it would kind of outweigh the cost. However, the problem that I found for me was that I don't like really healthy tasting things. Although a lot of them were fruit named or had a lot of fruit in them, there was still like kind of an earthy taste to a lot of them. They were good, and you could tell that the person creating the recipes knew what they were doing, and these have a lot of really nutrient-packed ingredients in them, and it tastes great for what it is. Do you get what I'm saying? If you like that like healthy taste, if you like the taste of vegetables, if you like clean juices, if you like clean foods, then you'll probably love it. I have some friends who tried it who loved all of them. I'm just trying to like warn you, if you are like really picky and think that they're gonna be like Jamba Juice drinks, they're not, okay? They have whole ingredients, which is amazing. The other thing is that $7 for a smoothie is about average. I mean, if you go to Robex or Jamba Juice or Nectar or whatever juice place you're going to, that's about what you're gonna pay. But it comes on a weekly basis, and so like it's like $100 a week. You know, I mean, depending on what type of package you get. To me, $320 a month for smoothies is kind of a really big expense. I think that I'd rather find like 1 or 2 smoothies, or maybe find a few different variations of similar smoothies that have similar ingredients and just have those in my house. Even if I have to pay $50 for the ingredients at the store, or even $100 at the store, if I can make a whole bunch of smoothies, then I feel like it's more worth it. Smoothies are not that hard of a thing to make. Yes, I really like the packaging. I think the packaging is great. It tells you all the ingredients on the jar, and it gives you the reusable cup so that you can take it and grab it on the go. I think that's amazing, and it is super easy. It's already chopped, ready. You just pour it in, as you guys saw. Literally takes a minute or two. Is it worth the cost, really? I mean, I think if it was $3 a smoothie, it would be totally worth it. Also, for the oat bowls, I think you're kind of running into the same thing. I didn't try any, I don't know how amazing they are or if they're good or not, but the cost versus just buying Quaker oats, I don't know if I could justify it. With the soups and the like nutrition bowls, I do think it's more worth it because that's something you wouldn't maybe make yourself. It's maybe something you would go to the store and buy. And so that kind of makes sense to me. But I think it is so worth it if you are a person who does not have a lot of time and wants to have a simple, quick, easy thing. I think it's something great for people who don't know how to cook, or who are looking to eat healthy and don't necessarily know too much about it and don't want to spend the time doing it themselves. And I think that there's a ton of great things about this company. But I think it's great for some people and not amazing for others, just really depending on what you're looking for in your house and also what your budget is. I do think it is a much better quick fix than, let's say, ramen noodles or something along those sorts, because you're fueling your body, and food is fuel, guys. So that was a long-winded explanation, but there's a few other companies kind of like this I'm going to try out and see if I like those more. If you guys have any companies you want me to test out, leave those in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe down below, and we'll see you next week. Bye, guys.